Top 25 emerging women in graphics goes to Carmina Herilla Emeterio. She's a post-production retoucher with Murray Harris Photography. So big round of applause. Okay, she's unable to join us today.
Hi, DIGITALCONFEX. First of all, thank you very much for giving me this kind of award. This award means a lot to me. It is an honor and privilege to be recognized for my hard work and dedication, and I promise to strive for excellence for the things that I do, and I will use this recognition as a motivation to accomplish more. Once again, thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.
All right, so many congratulations.